In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name and URL. Whether you're rebranding, have come up with a better business name, or just want to make a simple tweak, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, let's tackle changing your store name. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all the important configurations for your store. Next, you'll see a variety of different settings to choose from, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on General. This section houses the basic details about your store, including the all-important name field. Here, you'll see the current name of your store. Simply click into this field and type in your new desired store name. Make sure to double-check your spelling and capitalization for accuracy. After you've finalized your new name, scroll down the page a bit and hit the Save button. It's really as simple as that. Keep in mind that this change is internal to your Shopify store and doesn't affect your store's online presence, like your URL, just yet. Now that your store name is updated, let's move on to changing your URL. This process requires a little more consideration. First, let's clarify that changing your Shopify store's primary domain will affect how customers find you online. It's crucial to be sure about the new domain name because it impacts your brand and your online visibility. Start by heading over to Online Store in the Shopify admin sidebar and click on Domains. Here, you'll see your current primary domain listed. Just below it, you'll find the Change Primary Domain button. Before proceeding, it's vital to ensure you've added or connected the new domain you intend to use. If not, you can click on the Add Domain button to connect an existing domain or purchase a new one directly through Shopify. Once the desired domain is connected to your account, select it from the list and hit Change Primary Domain. It's essential to wait a few minutes for this change to fully propagate across the web. This can take up to 48 hours in some cases. Remember, once you've changed your primary domain, you should update any links you've shared in your social media profiles or with customers to reflect the new URL. Additionally, if you use analytics or tracking tools, update these with your new domain information to maintain accurate traffic data. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully changed both your Shopify store name and URL, setting a fresh new direction for your online business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.